then. Hey. Can you open up for us?
Rosie,
What are you doing here?
I live here. What are you doing here?
She live here?
Yeah.
With you?
Why?
She's under arrest.
Oh, it's bullshit.
What's bullshit about it? Come in.
What are you doing? Here?
This is where she lives, right?
Well, lodging.
Well, there you go, then. She paying you rent?
Yeah.
Mortgage company, no? Would you like to open up for us, P.C. Draper? Or I could. Which is your room, then?
Straight up there. What's going on?
Oh, we're picking up for me, Susie and Paul, yeah? Only they must have been watching Freddy's. I mean, they stopped me as soon as I got round the corner.
God,
How much does this place knock you back, then?
too much.
What did you tell him you live here for? I do live here. But he said I couldn't get bail otherwise.
How much did you have on you?
Nothing. How much? Just a bit of whiz, that's all.
What's this, then? Have you seen this before?
No. That's my room.
So?
So I'm not under arrest, am I?
Not yet.
Fuck off.
Still a sergeant, you know, P.C. Draper. Even if I am out in a boondock.
Yeah, well, you've got no reason to be in here.
Just searching the premises. This is all part of the premises.
Taking the piss.
You said this was your room, didn't you? This is a right old pickle, isn't it? Come on.
What are you going to do? Where are you taking her?
Back to Shepton.
Got that cell sorted.